Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply for an open position on the Indeed jobs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select the job or position that you would like to apply for and click on it. After that you should scroll down and tap on the apply now button at the bottom of the screen. Then you should add your contact information including your first and last name into the first two boxes, then your email address, then type in the name of your city and state and your phone number, then click on the continue button down below. After that, you have the chance to upload your CV by clicking on the Upload Resume button. So here you should select a document from your files, or you can also build an Indeed resume by clicking on the second option, tap on the Continue button. And if you have chosen the second option, you will be able to start building up your resume, including your name and other options that will so if you click on the continue button when you have filled out the current form, you will be guided through the required steps that you need to provide in order to build up your CV, and after that you will be able to apply. That's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.